Hello, I'm mindfulness coach Pamela Dangelmaier, and I'm grateful to be guiding you in this 10-minute mindful breathing meditation. Before we begin the mindful breathing meditation, which will start at the sound of the bell, let us take a moment to recognize and honor the fact that we are taking this time to be present in this moment, acknowledging our efforts to go within, into our own lives, and to simply be. Settling into a comfortable position, either in a chair or seated on the floor, allowing the back to adopt an erect, dignified, and comfortable posture. If sitting in a chair, having feet flat on the floor, legs uncrossed. And now I invite you to close your eyes, if that is comfortable for you. If you would prefer to keep your eyes open, then allowing your gaze to fall unfocused on the floor in front of you. Now very gently, bringing awareness to the tip of the nose. And as you breathe in, being aware that you are breathing in. And as you breathe out, being aware that you are breathing out. Moment to moment, breath by breath. If you find that you would rather be aware of the breathing in your chest or abdomen, as they expand on an inhalation and contract on an exhalation, you're welcome to do so. Breathing in with awareness, breathing out with awareness. Perhaps noticing the space in between. There is no need to alter or change the breathing. The body knows how to do this, how it wants to breathe right now, which is how it is breathing. So letting the breath breathe itself, letting the attention rest with the breath. If your mind wanders, as it surely will, it's perfectly okay. It's just what minds do. Just acknowledge where your attention has gone to without judgment. Maybe saying to yourself, there's thinking. And then gently bringing your awareness back to the breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Maybe bringing attention to wherever the breath is most prominent in the body. noticing the sensations as the breath moves in and out. Perhaps there's a feeling of slight stretching in the abdomen with each breath, and a sense of gentle release with each out-breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Just allowing the breath to breathe itself, and as best you can, bringing this attitude to the rest of your experience. There is nothing to be fixed here, no particular state to be achieved. As best you can, allowing your experience to be your experience, without being anything other than it is. And if your attention wanders away from the breath, noting this without judgment, bringing a quality of kindness to your awareness, using the breath as an anchor to gently reconnect with the here and now. Doing this each time you notice that your attention has wandered. Just following the breath. This breath, and this breath, and this breath. As we come to the end of this mindfulness of breathing meditation, let us congratulate ourselves for taking this time to be present. May we be at peace. May all beings be at peace.